Hello learners, welcome back to English grammar series for competitive exams. Today's topic is most important, preposition of time, since and for. These two are often confused, but after this you will be able to use them with confidence. Let's get started. Both since and for are used when something began in the past and is still happening. The difference lies in what they refers to. For refers to a period of time, while since refers to the specific point in time. Let's begin with for. Use for to talk about duration, how long something lasted. For example, he has stayed in Delhi for 3 weeks. They played the game for 2 hours. In each case, we are referring to length of time, that is, duration of time, how long it lasted. Now, let's look at since. We use since when we want to point out at the starting time of something. For instance, she has been ill since last Friday. Here, we are saying when the action began, not how it lasted. We use since when we are referring to starting point of time. A very important rule, since and for must be used with perfect or perfect continuous tense. Perfect tenses are the tenses having has, have plus verb third form, and perfect continuous tenses are has, have plus been plus verb first form plus ing. For example, I have been reading for an hour. She has worked here since 2001. This is a common point in competitive exams. Another common mistake. After since, we always use simple past tense, not past perfect. Past perfect is has, have plus verb third form. Simple past is verb second form. So instead of saying I had been sad since I had lost the match, we should say I had been sad since I lost the match. After since, always use simple past. Before since, you can use past perfect or past perfect continuous. Recap. For is used for duration of time like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 2 weeks, 2 years, and since is used to say when something started like since morning, since 1920, since 7 pm. Here are some practice questions. Try to solve them. Pause the video, try to fill them with since and for and comment down. Final tip, use for duration, since for starting time, and always use perfect or perfect continuous tense with them. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more such content.